Today we're going to be doing a Kit Kat taste test. I love Kit Kat chocolates.
Yes.
And Japan apparently has over 300 flavors, which is insane.
It blows my mind because in North America I've only seen about 2 or 3 different kinds.
Yeah.
I've seen one with peanut butter and maybe dark chocolate and regular, and that's kind of about
exciting stuff.
But in Japan there's over 300, which is crazy. And they vary by region. You want to explain that?
Yes, so the flavors are both seasonal and regional. So in order to try some of the flavors, you actually have to travel to that prefecture. We didn't have that luxury, so we actually just scoured convenience stores and Don Quixote supermarkets, and we were able to find 11 flavors.
I know, 11 is not bad, and it's certainly enough for this taste test, and it's such a random combination.
It really is.
It's the most eclectic combination of flavors you can imagine, and we can't wait to show you what they are.
And also, if you're wondering why Kit Kat is so popular in Japan, it's because the name Kit Kat kind of sounds a little bit like kitokatsu, which means you will surely succeed or you will surely win. So Kit Kat in Japan ran this whole marketing campaign about how you could give a Kit Kat to a student in order to wish them luck and wish them success in their studies.
And you know what? We're going to need a lot of luck to eat all 11 of these, so wish us some luck.
Let's get started!
Let's get started.
Oichi Matcha Kit Kat, Raspberry Kit Kat, Mint Kit Kat, Dark Chocolate Kit Kat, Wasabi Kit Kat, Purple Sweet Potato Kit Kat, Strawberry Ice Cream Sundae Kit Kat, Oreo Kit Kat, Amazaki Kit Kat, Sakura and Roasted Soybean Kit Kat, Sake Kit Kat. So first up, we are going to be starting with green tea from Uji.
Yeah, and the nice thing is these Kit Kat come in double, so we each get to try it. Split it in half.
Split it in half.
Oh my gosh, and look at this, guys. It is very much green.
It's green.
Like all over. Let's try it.
It doesn't have a strong green tea flavor.
No, it doesn't. It really doesn't. But it doesn't have the normal chocolate flavor. It's very subtle.
It's like white chocolate with a hint of green tea right at the very end, like once you swallow.
Yeah, I would agree. It's a very smooth Kit Kat. Like, it goes down really easily. I quite like that. I would actually buy that. Would you eat that?
I'd eat that again.
I go out of my way to eat that one. Next one. Let me drop that. I'll open this one. So this is a really interesting one, guys. This is the
purple sweet potato
one. Wow.
Ooh, and it is purple. It does not disappoint. Yeah.
So far, they've been matching the colors of what it appears on the wrapper. Where are we putting the wrappers?
Under the table. Okay.
Wow, that was way stronger taste for me.
Really?
I find it both sweeter and more stronger in taste than the first one we had.
I find it tastes like honey and like a little bit floral, but not like a potato, like a sweet potato.
I'm getting the taste of the sweet potato.
Really?
Yeah, really. Maybe our taste buds are just reacting differently. Yeah.
I like it.
You like it? I really like that. I would go for that one again. Yeah. I'm sure we'll find ones that we don't like though.
So this one, it looked like a vanilla and strawberry ice cream sundae on the packaging.
Yeah.
No English writing, so we kind of just assumed it must be ice cream. So let's see.
Ooh, this one has kind of like little dots on the outside.
Yeah. So this one is. It's white with little.
Yeah.
Cookie crumbs? It's pink inside. Ooh, it smells like strawberry.
Oh, that was a powerful one. It tastes a bit too artificial for my liking. It's also sweeter than the other two. I taste more sugar.
Yeah. It's not my favorite either. I was happy with the first two.
It's too sweet for my preference, to be honest, and too a little bit too artificially flavored.
That being said, I just ate the whole thing. Like, I'm not sure why I'm not just taking a half bite.
Oh yeah, we're gonna finish them all.
Another pink one.
What's this one?
That one is raspberry.
Raspberry.
I do like raspberry.
I'm hoping this one's a little bit tart. That would be nice. Okay, let's split that in half. This one is, it is a little bit pinkish, reddish, but it's a little more muted in color. Oh, I'm tasting that raspberry. Whoa.
That is tart. It tastes like the raspberry filling in a cake.
Yeah, that's one of the most strongest, like in terms of flavor, it's really strong. But I liked it more when I first bit into it, but the more I was letting that raspberry taste like roll around in my tongue, I started to find it a bit artificial. I'm also gonna say I don't love that one. I wouldn't go out of my way to have that one again. How about you?
I like it, but it's quite tart at the end.
A little too strong?
You know what? We should have gotten like 2 glasses of water or 2 cups of tea.
Yeah.
Pause for a moment.
Pause. Interlude.
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 Okay, I have returned. That is much better.
Cheers.
I have some tea. Sam has some
You
water.
have green tea, I have water.
Cheers. A fly just landed on my tea. Lovely.
I can't imagine having a hot beverage in the middle of the afternoon.
Oh, I need to like cleanse my palate. I need to like melt that chocolate somehow.
Okay, so we're moving on to mint now.
Okay.
This is one I'm looking forward to. I love chocolate and mint, so.
Okay, let's see what that's all about.
Yeah, take a. Oh, sorry, I'm grabbing yours. There you go. But yeah, that's just.
It looks like dark chocolate.
It does look like dark
milk
chocolate. And I'm not surprised because normally mint comes in dark chocolate.
Ooh. This smells like after eat.
Tastes
I like it.
really good. This is my favorite so far, but I do have a big bias towards chocolates that are flavored with mint. So I love my after eights. I love my junior mints. So this is amazing. This is a Kit Kat I would go out of my way to have again in the future.
And next up, it looks like we have another dark Kit Kat.
Yeah.
This one said cocoa. So I imagine it's going to be dark chocolate. There
It's
we go.
even darker than the last one.
Even darker, oh my gosh.
Check out that. Wow.
This reminds me of dark European chocolate.
It's sweeter than typical dark chocolate. It has a lot more sugar.
I was expecting it to be really bitter.
Yeah.
And it's not.
This one doesn't have as distinctive a taste. If you were just to hand this one to me, I may not even guess the flavor that well.
I like the dark chocolate with mint better. I think the combination of the 2 flavors,
Yeah.
that was good.
That one was like a little bit nondescript. I didn't have a strong opinion on it, to be honest. Alright, now here's a really interesting one. This is called Amazaki. Is that correct?
Ooh, okay. So I read that this one is a sweet rice drink.
Fermented rice drink.
Fermented rice drink. And it can either have no alcohol or very low alcohol content.
And it appears that it has a white chocolate
white.
covering. Take a look at that. Oh, I do have there's that subtle taste of fermentedness, if that makes sense.
Has a nice smell.
I love that one. It's really sweet too. It's got like a subtle bit of sourness, but it's overwhelmingly sweet. I actually quite like this one. I'd eat it again.
Floral?
Floral, yeah.
Kind of creamy.
Yeah, it is a very creamy one, now that you mention it. Okay, we're down to the final 4.
Ooh.
Now this one is the one that I think is going to be the most interesting.
Oh, wasabi.
Wasabi. Oh my gosh.
In case you've never had wasabi before.
Yeah.
I'm sure you have. Who hasn't had wasabi?
Well, if you've had sushi,
sushi.
you've had wasabi, and it comes in it's light green.
Yeah.
It's not dark. Let's just.
I'm kind of scared because wasabi, even like the smallest amount, can like just set your. It doesn't set your mouth on fire. It like
set your
wakes
sinuses
up
on fire.
everything in your head.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell like wasabi.
Okay. At first, I wasn't getting it. The flavor, but the more I chew into it, I am. It's funny. It's not. Doesn't make you want to gag like eating too much wasabi would in real life, but you certainly get that kind of aftertaste the more you chew into it. But it has so much sugar.
Yeah.
It has so much sugar that it does mask the typical flavor of a wasabi. Normally, wasabi is not sweet, of course. So
it's just okay. I can taste the wasabi, but this is something that I associate with like rice and salmon.
Yeah.
Like with sushi.
No,
so it just doesn't seem
chocolate.
right that white chocolate tastes like wasabi. This may be the first one that I don't finish in its entirety.
I'll finish
Do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there we go.
What's this one?
No, that was not a hit.
Oh,
Sakura and
Sakura.
roasted soybean. I've had a lot of Sakura flavored ice creams, like soft serve ice creams while I've been here. And those have been good, so I feel like I could enjoy this.
This one's kind of tan colored.
Ooh. Ooh, I smell the soybean powder more than the Sakura.
I'm definitely tasting the soybean powder.
That's a predominant smell.
No, at first I didn't think it was as sweet as the others, but now that I've been like eating it for a while, it's definitely sweet. I kind of like that one. I'd have that again.
I like it too, but I find white chocolate is like sweeter than milk chocolate. So again,
Maybe
small
that's why I like
quantities.
it.
You know what? I'm just gonna start eating half of these. I feel like I just can't.
Oh my god.
Oh man. Second last. Okay.
Look at the cute polar bears
Polar
on
bears.
this. Oh my goodness.
So on the package, it looked like vanilla ice cream with 2 Oreo cookies on the side.
Yeah.
So maybe it's like a chocolate chip ice cream.
Oh yeah, it definitely looks like the Oreo. Look,
Ooh.
it looks like it has the Oreo bits on it. So here you go. Let's try that one. This is what it looks like one more time, guys.
It's more white chocolate. I wish they had more milk chocolate flavors.
Oh, I like that one.
Oh,
No?
no. That
That's
tastes
one of my
like
favorites.
butter.
Here, give that to me.
Oh,
Mmm.
that may be worse than wasabi.
It does have a buttery flavor, but I quite like it. You don't at all.
No, there's actually a Kit Kat flavor where it's butter, and we tried finding it, we couldn't, but I feel like I just got a taste of it.
You
so
just got
it's
you just
fine.
got the buttery one.
Oh,
Hey guys, last but not
that one's
least,
definitely at the
I
bottom.
didn't like that one. Last but not least, this is the one that is probably the most exciting. You gotta show the box. Can you reach
Oh.
over and grab the box?
It was a fancy box.
Yeah, this one
Sake.
costs more than the other bags, and it
Yeah.
came in such a fancy box.
Like this is a gift that you take back
Yes.
home.
So guys, the premium one
Yeah.
at the end, the
So
sake
this
flavored.
is the Japanese alcoholic beverage to try.
Yeah.
We still haven't had sake. We've been in Japan how long? When
know,
are
it's
we
pretty
gonna
bad.
have sake?
I've had sake quite a few times outside of Japan.
Ooh,
Oh yeah,
that smells like perfume.
it does.
That's really sweet.
It's very sweet. It also has a hint of sourness, kind of like the other one, but it's even more sour than that other one that was based after a fermented rice drink. You don't like that one?
I like the smell of it.
Again, more white chocolate.
Yeah, it's just, the white chocolate is just too sugary for me. I can't do it. But I like the smell of it.
Let me take
I like the
that.
taste of it, but I feel like one nibble is enough.
Alright guys, so we've tried all 11. What we're gonna do now is rank them from first to last. Actually, no, we'll start from last to our most favorite, and I'm sure that
Okay.
they will differ. Let's see what happens.
Who's going first?
You can.
Oh, okay. So, let's do it. Okay, I'm ready to rank mine. I've arranged them. So, surprisingly, I enjoyed the first ones, the ones I had at the beginning the most. So green tea would be right at the top, followed by the purple sweet potato, because I felt like those were subtle flavors and it was just enough, just a hint, all I needed. Then my next two would be the dark chocolate with mint and the dark chocolate on its own. Just because it turns out I'm either a milk chocolate or dark chocolate kind of girl. I did not enjoy the white chocolate.
Those first four you would go out of your way to have.
Yes.
How
I would eat
about
those four.
the next set? Were these be more like just average? Or?
Okay, so right in the middle, I've got like 5 of them. It's mostly like pink packaging.
Yeah.
And it's basically like the strawberry ice cream, the raspberry, the Sakura, the sake, and this Amazaki. These were all too sweet for me. Just, they smelled nice, they smelled floral, but it was a bit much. As for least favorite, I would say the wasabi. Just because I do not associate that flavor, like that scent with chocolate with dessert. I just kept thinking, where's my sushi? And the last one was, this is the one I hated, right? The one that tasted like butter.
That's the one I like a lot.
Oh.
That's the one I put in the front. So
That's what I thought of the Kit Kats here in Japan.
That's interesting. Now it's my turn. Okay guys, time for me to rank my Kit Kats from first to last. So I love the mint one. That should come as no surprise. I do love my mint chocolate. So that's number 1. Number 2 was the purple yam. So we both really like this one.
Yes, that was good.
So I think if we were to go out and get a package together, we might get this one. I like these other ones as well. They kind of had the not so much. What was this one again?
Those were the 2 ice cream ones. That's like the strawberry ice cream and the one with the chocolate that tasted like butter.
I made a mistake. The strawberry is going down here. I like the one that tastes like butter. The one that you didn't like.
Oh.
Okay, now these other specialty ones, like the green tea, the wasabi, the other ones, the ones that were flavored like sake and the other alcohol and soybean, these were just average for me. I didn't mind them, didn't love them. I'd have them again, but I wouldn't go out of my way. Now these last three are ones that I wouldn't have. Like this didn't taste distinct to me, so it's not a winner. And these ones that tasted like strawberry and raspberry, I found they were too artificially flavored. I actually wouldn't have them at all again. Like even if someone gave them to me, I would re-gift them to somebody else.
I didn't like it, but maybe someone else might.
Maybe someone else might.
Nice.
Exactly.
But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed getting to see some of these weird Kit Kat flavors that you can only find in Japan.
Yeah.
If you come here, like there's several places where you can pick them up.
Yeah.
The cheapest is either at Don Quixote, which is a discount store, or just like little convenience stores.
Yeah, little convenience stores. You'll actually find convenience stores that kind of specialize in candy and treats, and that's also where we picked up the bags. The bags are cheaper than the boxes, but they're more easy. The bags are flavors that are easier to find. The ones that come in specialty boxes are more rare, and they tend to be a bit more expensive.
And aside from that, another place where you can find Kit Kat is at the Kit Kat store. Like there's a Kit Kat chocolate shop. There's one at the Tokyo train station, and there's a few scattered around the city. You can also buy them at the airport before you go.
There you go.
So yeah, if you're looking for a strange souvenir, these strange flavors of Kit Kat are certainly an option.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this Japanese Kit Kat taste test. We had a lot of fun trying all of these, and we'll see you from Tokyo, Japan with more food and travel videos coming soon.
Bye!
Bye!